What's up, guys? It is Brian here, and for today's video, I'm actually gonna be it's sad to say this, but I'm actually gonna be freaking taking my 150 apart. Reason why is because someone thought it was a good idea to put a paper towel right here, right? So that when I pressure wash the bike, the air stays in here, and the water won't go in, right? Because the paper towel will capture any water that goes inside, because I put a lid on the airbox. And well, Sunday morning, went to the track. I was hyped. I was like, yes, dude, I'm gonna ride today. I haven't ridden for like 2 weeks. And put a new air filter. Old one was dirty. Put a new one in. Oiled it. Put the seat back on. And yeah, I just tried starting it with my gear on. I was almost ready to ride, and it would not, like, there was no compression. And I was all like, yeah, something's wrong here. So I thought of checking maybe the air fuel mixture or the gas. The choke was on, gas was on. So I was like, what could it be, right? And I took the seat apart. I took the seat off. I took the air filter off. And there it was, that white paper towel. I did not see the paper towel when I was changing the air filter. I don't know why, but at the track I saw it, and I was like, oh my god, this is gonna be so expensive, because the paper towel got inside of the engine because I smelt burnt. And I was like, oh, that's what it was. So it means we've got paper towel maybe possibly in the engine. And yeah, I just got to check it out. So we're going to go ahead, move it all the way over here because our house is a mess. We are currently fixing the garage, trailer for quads, pool tables out of the garage. So we're going to put the bike here. It's got our tools. We've got our tools, some gloves, click type wrenches, and our GoPro for the time lapse. So yeah. All right, so we got to go ahead, get the bike off the stand. Oh, hit the box. Get this box out of the way. Ow! I almost cut myself. It's dangerous out here. Alright. So, let's see if I can do this with one hand. I can't. Alright. I'm gonna try to do this right here. Let's put this over here. Let's get some angles. Alright, she's off. Oh! Put the bike right there. Hopefully she doesn't fall. We're good. Alright. That's good. Put this over here. Now we get the bike. All right. It's a maze out here, dude. Come on. All right. She's good on there. So before I take off the seat, I will throw you guys onto the GoPro. All right, so what I did right now is I disconnected the airbox from here. Took off the subframe, as you can tell. And now I have direct access to the carburetor, which that is our problem right there. That's the paper I need to get out. So just gonna get that paper out. So for that, I'm gonna open the throttle a little. Gas is off, and I will be checking around, inspecting. There's no more paper inside, because if there is paper inside, that's a big expensive problem, because I'm gonna have to pay a mechanic to basically go throughout the whole engine to make sure there's no paper in, and if there is, it's probably gonna be like a $1,000 repair or mistake, if you will. But yeah, so hopefully, fingers crossed, there's nothing. So far, good news. Let me show you guys. So as you can tell, I got the little piece out, and I will be cleaning the carburetor a little around with a microfiber towel. But if I open up the throttle, there is no paper inside. I'm not sure how well you guys can see that, but there is no paper inside whatsoever. So that is very good news, because I was not looking forward to paying for a mechanic for a mistake like that, which will be stopped. So yeah, just gotta put everything back, clean the carburetor a little with a microfiber towel, probably clean the airbox a little, and put everything back and start the bike. So yeah, still in class. Unbelievable. Got the bike fixed. You whole subframe's back, connected from the top, from the bottom, 22 foot-pounds, and side, and side right here. Still need to fix these, or not fix them, torque them. And got these pins on. Airbox is secured from here and below the bike. Do a little test. As you feel, nothing shaking. Everything's all sturdy, which means my job here is done. Just gotta put a filter, the plastics, or you know what, I'm gonna just put a filter and try to start her up. She runs, she doesn't. Bad news, I don't want to know. So just put a filter on. Filter is on the bike. Gas is on. Gonna try to start her, let the gas go in a little, just sit. Everything should be good. Oh, that's right, the exhaust ones. So I'm gonna have to do those right now. Let me check the foot-pounds or inch-pounds, and let me torque those, and I'll pick up the video when I have torqued them. All right, I got them torqued. They turned out to be 24 foot-pounds for this one and the one down here. And for the subframe on the 2020 version, it's 22 foot-pounds for up top and the bottom. Sorry, I don't know why I was pointing over here, but anyways, time to see if it was all worth it. I don't know, dude. Hopefully. All right, let's turn on the choke because she's a bit cold. Kick it a little, get that gas in there. You know what? I'm gonna put down the camera. That's not a good idea. Let's go. Alright, so meanwhile, I'm gonna let her warm up. I'm gonna do that because of the fact that I want my bike to like make sure. So I want to make sure that my bike is working, right? That warmed up and cold it starts. So right now that was a cold start, and started what, like, I want to say like second. No, honestly, it was like 2 or 3 kicks, something like that. I'm not even lying. My all right, so my video cut off, but I was saying that on my 150, I live in Pala, California, and I have, or Fox Raceway, better known, or Pala, the racetrack, right? Our elevation here is 600 feet above the sea level. So my Crf150 has gotten a bigger needle, because the first 2 times I rode it, not 2 times, but like the first probably 10 hours, I had to take it to the mechanics 2 times in a row, and I had to pay for the carburetor because supposedly it was the carburetor that was breaking down, or there was problems with the jets, so they had to rejet it. But it was actually that I had a too small jet, so I got a bigger one, and yeah, no more problems. Besides last Sunday when I tried going to the track, and I don't know where I left it, but as I mentioned in the story, oh, it's over here. This little guy got in my way and ended my day at Fox Raceway. Luckily, I was feeling bad because you know how sometimes you have days where like you don't want to ride or anything. So luckily, it was one of those type of days, and that got in the way. So yeah, starts. I'm gonna go ride it on the street right now, make sure it starts good, because I saw smoke coming out of the exhaust. I'm not sure what that could be, but it starts good. There was no bog at all. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit more just in case if it's cold or something, which I don't think so. But yeah, I'm gonna throw you guys on the GoPro right now and try it out on the street. All right, I'll go ahead and try out this bike. I warmed her up a little, so I'm gonna take her down the block, see if we have any what is it called? The main thing we're looking for is bog. That's what it's called. If we've got bog, might mean that there is more than a small little piece of paper towel, the one I took out. There's more of it inside the engine. Or if we have any weird noises or something, anything of that sort, that's what we're looking for. So just gonna go ahead and turn around. And then I already opened up our gate, or our door if you will. So now get on the bike. First kick. perfect. She is mint, crispy as heck. I love how she rides, even if it's a 150. I'm only 115 pounds, and she rides perfect for me. Oh, let's pick it up on the phone. All right, so welcome back, guys. You guys are on the other camera, and yeah, just got done. GoPro's right here. Bike is no longer here. That's because I have now put it over here, which would be where it was, and it's all built now. We are good. Saved myself probably $100 if I were to have taken it to the auto or motorcycle shop. And now I just need to end the video. So thank you guys for watching. Leave in the comments some comments if you need help or help or anything. So yeah, I'm here to help. Just tell me, and I hope you guys, if you have a 150 like I did in the other video, I'm gonna have a transmission video soon, showing how to change your oil transmission, or transmission oil, sorry. And yeah, so just gotta put the plug in the motorcycle. Oh, all right, so now that the plug is in, all right, so just gotta plug the motorcycle, make sure no dust or dirt gets in there. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Deuces.